powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is well equipped. This Dodge features premium sound, heated power mirrors, and rear spoiler. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include satellite radio, Bluetooth wireless, navigation system, and backup camera. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.